Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a credit card with Best Buy. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Best Buy website. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password in the fields provided. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Account section. In this section, look for the credit card or payment methods option. Click on Add a credit card to begin the configuration process. Fill in your credit card number in the designated field. Next, enter the expiration date of your credit card. Be sure to include the CVV code, usually found on the back of your card. Select the billing address associated with this credit card. If needed, you can add a new billing address by clicking on the appropriate option. After filling in all necessary information, review your entries to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Add Card button. A confirmation message should appear, indicating your card has been successfully added. You can now use this credit card for your future purchases at Best Buy. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. This helps protect your financial information during online transactions. If you encounter any issues, contact Best Buy customer support for assistance. Now you are ready to shop and enjoy a smooth checkout experience with your new credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.